What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rich coming back with another video doing my power steering pump. I'm gonna be flushing out my power steering reservoir and all that first, then I'm gonna be replacing it. I went with the AutoZone power steering pump because it's the cheapest and it's lifetime warranty. Yeah, next best up was Cardone, which was like $320 or $330 from Rock Auto. OEM, brand new, is dummy expensive. So here we are. I'll be rocking with the hat, man. Ritual vibes, because you know, gotta feel like we're in Florida right now. Yeah, let me get this started because I've procrastinated this whole job. Yeah. I hope you guys like the audio quality, or hope it's like better for you guys, because we now have a mic, a Rode mic, so this shit's sick. Drop a like and subscribe. So I'm gonna be starting out with flushing this things out a little bit. Be hearing cars fucking drive by. It's a beautiful day. We're kind of on a busy-ish active road. I have to do this whole process that I'm gonna show you guys in a second. I got this multi-use transfer pump from Harbor Freight. I haven't used it yet. It's new. Like, they're constantly coming out with different ones. So I'm gonna give this one a shot. Hopefully it doesn't leak a bunch of shit everywhere for me, and yeah, just does the job that it needs to do. We're trying to up the quality, up the everything, you know, just performance, content, and everything, all of the above. Go check out my TikTok. I'm posting on there a lot. I actually posted a 4K video, our first 4K try. It was handheld. It came out okay. Go check that out on TikTok. All the links are down below. Alright guys, so this is kind of my little janky setup. I don't know exactly how this is gonna work too well. Got my funnel in there and whatnot to, you know, flush out things, refill, then turn the steering wheel whenever I, you know, however I need. I guess like a good way you can do, maybe should do, is lift it up off the ground, but I'm just gonna leave it on the ground and turn in whatever and see how that works out. So I'm gonna attempt to start pumping it and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't leak everywhere, because it's kind of a shitty setup. Oh. Fill it up a bit. It is pinched a little bit right there because of the funnel, because the thing is tight thick. So let's see how that. Oh, that shit. That shit bad. I know there's some people that start up their car and then they turn the wheel back and forth, you know, lock to lock. But then I hear it's not that good because it lets air in your system. I was gonna just put it on, then just put it, you know, do it lock to lock and see if that, you know, works how it should. Also, people, you know, jack the front up, then do all that too. I guess it helps the system bleed more, better, or some shit. Let's get to it. Extremely loud because it's still open header, and I was supposed to get my exhaust on and I didn't, and I'm going to because I'm getting header soon. We'll come back over here and see what's going on, see how much fluid. Oh, so that's what it do. I don't know if it even took any fluid or anything. I don't know what the fuck is how it do, but hey, as long as I see. Look how bad that fluid is, guys. Like, look how bad that is, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna start it up again and do the lock to lock. 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 Straighten it out, then go flush it out and redo this again. So, little update guys, I went through 5 power steering fluid bottles, like OEM ones, and this shit is still pumping out black. Like this is really bad, and it's been leaking for a while. So dude, I don't know how much I have to do it because it's like it's supposed to be clearer than this. Like I feel like it's starting to get clear, but I ran out of fluid, so I gotta go buy some more at this point, which kind of sucks. You can do, you know, what I should have done is buy a big jug of whichever power steering fluid just to run it through the system and filter it. Then when I replace the pump, whatever, I actually fill it with the OEM and, you know, flush it a little bit. So yeah, let me go get some more. I didn't bring my camera along with me. I'm using my phone. I went to grab some pho, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Grab some pho. You already know. You already know. I'm gonna run to Acura, man. Acura. This floor is real nice. Look at these things, man. That orange over there. Woo. Hey yo, shout out to this parts dude at Acura, man. Gave me a bottle for free, so I picked up 5 more. Only spent 22 bucks. He be hooking me up, so that's dope. Got my plug, OEM plug. Now we off. We got our food. We got our power steering fluid. I'm hoping 5 more is gonna be enough. I really hope, guys. Really hope, because if it isn't, I'm gonna be really fucking annoyed. That's for sure. Like seriously, guys, if this shit is not enough, I'm gonna be annoyed, because yeah, that means I'm gonna have to come back and, you know, buy some more. And thankfully, it's not too expensive, but I mean, it adds up. So I took a little break, you know, I had my food break and whatnot. Going through 9 and basically half bottles of power steering fluid. I literally went to Acura and got 5 more. It's still not enough. I should have got some shitty whatever to flush it out, and I really wasn't thinking about it. It wasn't too expensive, so when I flush it out again, I may do that, maybe not. I don't know, because it may damage my pump. First, I'm gonna take off the belt, then the pulley, then the lines, and so on and so forth. What you're gonna go do is get your 14 mil and your 17 as like a tension bar, and you're gonna come grab it. So you grab your 17 and use it as a tension bar to lift. Go, flip it over, let it go. Then you drop your 14 down there. So I wanna like not touch the belt stuff as much as possible, just so I don't mess with it, because it gets annoying. Alright guys, so what I did with the belt, I just zip tied it. Grab your 19 now. You're gonna have to fit something through here. Alright, so once you got it, break it free. All I had is slide it through there, going towards the AC compressor. And this thing is just gonna come right out. Almost thought I heard an ice cream truck. I'm like, oh my god. Yeah, this shit's been pissing out, as you can tell. Then I'm gonna take out the lines, and yeah, and then just take out the 3 bolts, and that's not too much leaking out. We got most of the thing out, so down the line I'm gonna rebuild this and do a video on it and whatnot, but I don't have the time to do it right now. I need to just replace it. That plugged. Get these bolts out. And we're also going to be replacing the O-rings on the hoses, of course, because those are what fail too, so. Really the most annoying part is the mess. The mess of the power steering fluids. There you have it, guys. There's the power steering pump out. I'm gonna try to clean up around the area a little bit that's messy, get some of this gunk off, and replace. With the O-ring situation, I put it on here because it fits into the power steering pump or whatever, so it's just gonna like slot in or whatever. And it's a color change for this one. It's a red one, so you're gonna see like, you know, the size difference, because this is the other one on that side. You can see the size difference or whatever. So this is the red side, goes over here, just pops, you know, goes right in. That one takes a little bit of wiggle, you know, but slide this one on. Put that one on. There she goes. And now I'm gonna clean up around here a little bit while I have this room. Going in. Got a nice new shiny power steering pump. I cleaned up a little bit down there. And we're good to go. Just take this off real quick. I got it. Ah, no worries. No worries, just kick over everything. Let me take this off really quick so I could tighten this properly. So I could have more room to. Nice and tight. Just how we like it, right guys? Alright guys, so ran out of memory in the camera and I don't know where it paused at. Placed the O-rings, got everything on. I snapped the bolt right here, but everything's gonna sit how it should and shouldn't leak or nothing like that, so I'm good to go. Now I just gotta put on the belt. Alright guys, so I got the belt back on. That was fun. So now I have to fill back up the reservoir and go from there, get the air out the system and whatnot. Should be on. Looks good. Alright guys, we got the car jacked up, and the reason why I jacked it up is because I guess if you start it, it's gonna get more air into the system. Trying to prevent that. So that's gonna make it for that video, how to change a power steering pump. If you guys enjoyed that video, if it helped you out, share it. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you like the video. End the night off with doing a fire, because I gotta go get some things to do the fire and whatnot. Yeah, we're just gonna relax. Power steering pump seems pretty good. At first it was kind of like whining and stuff. It's the first time for everything or whatever. Like I never really bled a power steering. I mean, I tried all the techniques, putting up in the ground, this and that, turning on and off, yada yada, whatever. And I don't know, it just didn't seem like it was going through. Drove it up and down the street. It didn't seem like it was whining too much, but more so at idle maybe. We'll see. We'll maybe go back and rebleed it, figure it out. But hey, it's swapped, it's done, and yeah. Drop a like, guys, subscribe, and we're almost monetized. We're like 100 watch time hours away, so once we hit that, do a pretty big giveaway or whatnot. Show some love, show some support, guys. And if you guys want some merch or like, you know, t-shirts, custom like wrist things I could add on, just let me know. We could work something out, message me. All the links are in the bio, description, whatever. And yeah.